I found workers clearing snow from the bridge over the Indian River Inlet and uncovering streets in Rehoboth Beach. I saw just endless lines of downed tree branches scattered along roads, and most importantly, I found power crews from all over the eastern United States here in southern Delaware helping Delmarva Power get the lights and heat back on. The Red Cross took care of dozens of families sheltering at Sussex Central Middle School. Even Red Cross volunteers' families had choices to make when their power went down.
I asked my wife last night if she wanted to, and she said no. We have plenty of quilts.
Yeah, for the most part, I think it was pretty quick.
The reviews seem to be pretty darn good for Del. State, county, and local government's handling of the snow, but everyone here has their own war stories to share from the storm.
Our power didn't go out, but about like half of our neighborhood did, and an entire tree blocked off our entryway and exit out of our neighborhood, so we were kind of just stuck for like a good day and a half until they were able to clear that out of the way.
With all driving restrictions now lifted, some folks took some time to come see Rehoboth today.
It's beautiful. We normally don't see it like this.
Yeah, this is definitely a sleepier time at the Delaware beaches, but don't be fooled. Every weekend is a chance to make some money. There are polar plunges this weekend. There are other sorts of charity events. They need to get as much of this snow away as possible and make sure all the sidewalks are clear for shoppers. But all this shoveling and salting, easier said than done.
It's not just the snow, but it was a type of snow. It was that real heavy snow with a lot of water in it. We call it heart attack snow because if you're not in shape to do it, you're going to end up with a heart attack.
Slowly but surely, power is being restored, but wherever you are, continue to be careful and by all means, think warm thoughts of Delaware beach days free of all the snow piles now cluttering the streets. At the Delaware beaches, Tim Furlong, NBC10 News.